All right, so welcome to this particular section. Now, understand that this particular section, I am going to be showing you how to create your own account. All right, and everything you need to get started. All right, so let me just show you what to do. So, what you need to do is to create an account with Seller. All right, Seller is a platform that gives you access to creating your own personal account to access some product and of course sell products. So let me tell you what to do. So you're going to go to a website, just like I mentioned, seller.co, right? Seller, SELAR.co. All right. So when you open the website, you're going to see so many options, right? So what you're going to do now is to click on start selling. Can you see that option by my right hand side up here? Start selling. So I'll click on start selling. Once I click on start selling, you're going to come. Now this is what you can do with your smartphone, understand? All right, you don't need to have a laptop to do this. Okay, so by the left hand side here, you can see create your account, your seller account. What username do you want? So let's say, example, I want to use Goodness. Let's assume my name is Goodness, right? Please use a username that you can remember. Let's say my name is Goodness. I want to use Goodness23. All right. Then you can add your email address, any email address you think. Your email address, please. Let me just add some random email address. Okay, let's say my goodness23@gmail.com. So let me just assume this is my email address, right? It's a demo account. Then what's your full name? So you can put your full name. All right. Let's say my name is Goodness. Maybe Goodness. Goodness. What surname should I use now? Goodness Okoro. So let's assume my name is Goodness Okoro. All right. Then you put in your password. You put in your password. You understand? You put in your password. So you click on create account. All right. Remember that you enter the website called seller.co. Seller, SELAR.co. Once it opens, you click on start selling. All right. Then you now register your account and put your username, your email address, your full name, and your password. Please don't forget your password. That is what you're going to use to always log in to check how much you have made and also to withdraw your money. Okay, so you click on create account. So when you click on create account, automatically your account has been created. Can you see that? This is my new seller account. Now you can see two options here. Number one is set up bank details and number two is add product. All right, here you're not adding any product. You're going to click on set up account details. This is very important so that when you want to withdraw your money, it is fast and easy for you. So you come and click on set up bank details. All right, that is the bank account details you want to be using to receive money to your right? So your country, select your country, Nigeria, for those of you who are in Nigeria. Then what bank are you using? So let me just assume I'm using my Zenith account, right? You put your account, then you put your account number. So this is my account number actually, right? Once you put your account number, you click on verify account details. Okay, now I am ready to start. Okay, so what I'm going to show you how to do now is to set up your account details in such a way that if you want your money to be paid to you automatically or you want to wait and withdraw it manually. Now let me show you what to do. Come and click on these three dots, right? These three dots by my right hand side, click on it. Some options are going to pop out. Can you see all these options? So you're going to go down and click on payout. All right, and click on payout. Do we have payout option here? Okay, yes, wallet payout. Can you see it? Wallet payout, wallet and payout. Yeah, so you click on wallet and payout, then you go down and click on payout settings. Payout settings. So when you click on payout settings, let's see what's going to happen. Now, look at what you have here. It's very important. Below here is my account details, correct? Good. Now, up here, look at it says payout schedule. Can you see this? Payout schedule. How do you want to schedule your payout? Now, the option we have here is saying automatic. That means when you make a sale and you've gotten your commission, immediately you make that sale, you are going to get credited automatically. All right. But if you don't want to withdraw your money immediately, you can decide to allow it to stay until maybe you want it to reach maybe 200, 300k, 500k. Is up to you. You can come and set it now and put manual. Did you see that? Manual means I want to withdraw my money when I want to withdraw it. And for me, I would prefer you to even wait until it accumulates to a large amount so that you can share your testimonial with us and tell us how much you've made for a particular period of time. You understand? But then if you want to withdraw your money automatically, you can just click here and put automatic. All right. So whenever you register, when you register now, it's going to be on automatic. So if you want your money to grow to a certain amount, you can put it on manual. For me, I would prefer you to put it on manual so that you can withdraw it when it's big, so that you can send us video testimonials that yes, this was the amount I made in 30 days, in 20 days or so. Do you understand? So when you selected manual, you click on update payout preferences. Update payout preferences. Let me click on it now. So please, I would advise you to put or set your payout setting to manual. All right, I'll advise you to put it on manual so that when your money has accumulated to a large amount, you can withdraw it once, so that you can send screenshots. Even those who you want to prospect to join the business or to buy products from you, you can send a screenshot of your payment to them. If you send screenshot of payment of 10k, it's very small. But imagine when you send a payment of 300,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira, that is a lot of money and people will be interested. So make sure you set your payment, put your payment setting on manual so that you can withdraw a large amount at one time. It's going to help you to get more customers. Please, I am telling you what is going to help you to get more customers. When you post on your social media, your WhatsApp, everywhere, people will be more interested than when you post 10,000 naira because you put it on automatic. Do you understand? So it is better for you to put it on manual so that when your money has grown big, you can withdraw it. Now, if you want to later change your account details, all right, maybe you were using someone's account or something, you want to change, or you have two different accounts, you want to use another account, you can come here below by my right hand side here. You can see this details here. It says change payout account details. That means this account details, you want to change it to another account. For example, now if I want to change it to my UBA account or my First Bank or my Fidelity Bank, all I need to do is to just click on this change payout account details. Just watch. All right. So once I've clicked on it, it's saying what? Update your Nigerian payment details. All right. So I'm now going to put the account number, verify again, and save. It's going to be the same thing. All right. So that is how you can actually start with this platform. So this is the first stage. When you are done, come back to the WhatsApp group and comment I'm done. Then number 2, if you set your account on manual, comment I set my payout on manual. Remember that apart from the fact that this is what I'm advising you to do, it is also going to help you to get more customers to buy your product, because people like proof. If you show me 10k, Oga, I will not be motivated. But if you show me 300k, 400k, 500k, I'll be motivated, or even 200k. Do you understand? So set it on manual so that you can easily convince people to buy your product, or if you want to get people to be a part of the platform, it is going to help you to make more sales. This is the secret to setting your payout system on the manual option, right? So when you are done, send a message to the group, comment I have updated my bank details, I have created my seller account, and I have set my payout system on manual. 3 things: I have created my seller account, I have updated my account details, and I have set my payout on manual. All right, when you are done, send it to the group. This is the first step. The next step, I'm going to give you the details. All right, if you got value, let us know. Thank you very much for being a part of this very short presentation. Right, remember that the goal is to help you to start making money online. So when you're done, let us know you are done. Thank you.